how to make friends with a Swiss person. Congratulations! You've successfully moved to Switzerland. But why? Are you staying for business or pleasure? If you said business, you're right. Nobody stays for pleasure. Still, after you spend your first 5 to 10 years in Switzerland doing business all alone and sad, it's time to make some friends. Just follow these easy 358 steps and you'll have a Swiss friend in no time. This is a normal heart, and this is a Swiss heart. Before you can enter a Swiss heart, you have to climb the wall of shyness, tear down the electric fence of pride, and cross the river of skepticism. This guide will help you get there. You can compliment his or her money. Swiss people love that. Repeat after me. You have very nice money. Can I touch it? If they answer with a maybe, beware. Maybe is Swiss for no. Never make the first move. Ever. Swiss people are easily scared. Don't make any sudden movements, loud noises, or emotional statements. Swiss people don't rush. They wait, and so should you. From first contact to full friendship, a Swiss person waits up to 30 years. Swiss people all love doing their taxes and would gladly help you do yours. The person in question doesn't even have to be a banker. Every Swiss person is born with a working knowledge of financial systems. Even babies. As you've probably noticed by now, most Swiss people already have a friend. So in order to win the friendship of a Swiss person, you have to kill his or her old friend. We suggest you kill them with kindness. Or a fondue fork. Now, how do I know I successfully made friends with a Swiss person? It's hard to tell, isn't it? Here's a clue. If a Swiss person pays for your alcoholic beverage. Drinks are crazy expensive in Switzerland, and Swiss people love their money, so this can be seen as a clear sign of affection. When you're absolutely certain you've made friends with a Swiss person, you seal the deal with the following phrase. I love you almost as much as I love Roger Federer. Congratulations! You've just made friends with a Swiss person. You can now start doing all those things Swiss people love. Hiking, standing in line, saying oder, talking about insurance all night long, more hiking, and melting cheese. That wasn't so hard. Oder?